Hey YouTube, it's Alicia, and I wanted to come and do this makeup tutorial. I have half my makeup on, so don't worry about it. But I'm going to be using this palette right here. It is the Mirage palette. And the first color I'm going to take, it is the color called um, Compass and stuff. So I'm going to have to put the paper back on so I can tell you. So that's the first thing I have already done. My foundation, my concealer, um, my eyelid primer, and my brows. So yeah, we're going to take this color right here. And this has been in the making. And the reason this makeup look has been in the making, I just had decided I will not be doing crazy, wacky Halloween looks. That's just how I feel about it. And I'm going to take, let me find it if I can, this brush, dust it off, and just blend it out. And one of the things I'm going to, the reason I wanted to do this look is because of, I just love the colors. So the next color we're going to take is going to take this color right here. And the color above that will be called Medusa. Yeah, it's going to be Medusa. I decided, and we're also going to go in the crease with it just to give a little bit more oomph to it. I'm just going to add a little more to it. But yeah. But I decided to do a makeup tutorial. It's my version of a African American. So before I do the I'm looking for, here we go, is this brush. And what we're going to do, we're going to take this color and we're going to put it in the brow bone. So I'm going to have to look down. Well, actually, put that down. And that is the color. Let me make sure the color. Poti, I think that's the color. And we're just going to do this. And with this, I'm just doing my brow. Like I'm saying, I'm mostly, this actually inspired me to do my, here we go, brow bone. And to do a African American queen look. I love African American queens. Anything that I can do, I will love. So the next brush we're going to be using is going to be using this brush. And for that, we're going to be using, we're going to go bottom. And let me turn this like this. Fantastic, I think that's the name. But I will leave the color names at the bottom. But I'm going to be using this color right here. It's a very beautiful burgundy, shimmery color. And I'm going to put this all on the lid. anything, but I hope everybody has had a great day, and it's actually turned out pretty good for that. But I'm going to just blend it all in. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do, because I will be putting on a crown, so we're going to move this over. Well, we're just going to leave that right here. So the next thing, let me see, the next thing we're going to do is take this brush and we're going to take the CoverGirl Queen Collection in Q40 5, and this is a medium deep one, and we're just going to just put the powder on. Just think this is so pretty. All right. So the next thing we're going to be using is the blush. And the blush I want to use is this, thinking we're going to be using Awesome by LA Color Rouge. That is the color. Okay. So we're going to do a highlight. So we're going to do two highlights. We're going to do a highlight here and a highlight on my cheek. So we're going to need these two brushes. And I'm going to use this color out of this Juvia's Place Warrior palette. And it's this beautiful shimmer one right here. I'm going to use, and we're just going to use that, and we're just gonna, there we go. Y'all see that? There we go. But just to clean it up just a little bit, just a little bit, just cleaning it up just a little bit. Woo! There we go. So we clean that up just a little bit, and we're going to go down the bridge of my nose just a little bit, and we're just going to tap that. And we're just going to go starting here. There we go. And the next thing is we're going to take this brush and there you go. Alright. The next thing is we're going to put mascara on. It's been a while since I put mascara on, but we're going to be using the Essence Get It Big Lashes 3 Triple Black Mascara. That is what we're using, and I'm going to, like I'm saying, this is like African Queen inspired. There we go. And before I finish it up, I'm going to take my eyebrow gel just to hold my brows in place. and thing. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this and we're just gonna there we go. The next thing is, before we put the lipstick on, we're going to put the crown on. Alright. And the crown I'm using was a crown I used for my sister's bridal shower. She just didn't have too much hair to wear it. And so I'm going to, let's see, we're going to take it in. Okay. Let's see if I can get it. I'm going to take that one that way. And we're going to take this one this way. And we have one more. And there you go. There go the crown. And I'm going to put the lipstick on. This is a liquid lipstick, liquid lip gloss, excuse me. And it's in Glamour. And this is a beautiful lip color. It is black girl friendly. And there you go. And this is my African Queen makeup inspired look. Hope you love it. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.